Hi, a bit windswept today. Today I'm at Trungle Parc, Mousehole, for their Southern League fixture against Shaftesbury. Now, Trungle Parc has changed a lot over the years. I've been here on 2 occasions. The first was for a South Western League fixture against St Austell, and I came back for a Western League game against Sherborne Town. Today, as I say, we're here for a Southern League fixture, so let's take a look around the ground. Okay, hair's a bit of a mess again today. Well, there we are. Can't do much about that, can I? I blame the wind, to be honest. Anyway, Mousehole sit third in the table. Yate Town are the current leaders of this division. Shaftesbury have had a great run of form of late. They beat Westbury United 5-2 last week, and they sit 5 points clear of the relegation zone. You've had a goal at Trungle Parc, and it's the visitors that have taken the lead. Remus Nixon firing in from about 12 yards out to give Shaftesbury the lead. Mousehole 0, Shaftesbury 1. Shaftesbury moving forward again. They do lead 1-0, but they've lost their goal scorer, Remus Nixon. He's their leading goal scorer this season. That's a blow to them. They have strengthened the defence up, though, to try and protect this lead. Mousehole are in here. Corner to Shaftesbury. That one's cleared, back into the area, and that's gathered by Ollie Chenoweth. No crosses! No cross! I'm trying to do a report here, Mousehole fans. God's sakes. Anyway, Mousehole 2, Shaftesbury 1. Hayden Turner and Tim Nixon have scored the goals that have put Mousehole ahead. There's 37 minutes played in the game. Shaftesbury have had a flurry of corners since then, and they're certainly not out of it here at Trungle Parc. Mousehole 2, Shaftesbury 1. Right, 5 minutes into the second half, it's still Mousehole 2, Shaftesbury 1. Thanks to Mousehole for their half-time hospitality. I believe they've just gone close again. The home side getting on top at the moment, but obviously this game's still very, very open. Mousehole 2, Shaftesbury 1. Anyway, the mist and rain is coming down here at Trungle Parc, but it's Mousehole. Yep, what's happened there? Yeah, Mousehole have scored a 4th goal. Tim Nixon got their 3rd just a minute ago to make it 3-1, and well, from what I can hear, they've just scored again. So it's Mousehole 4, Shaftesbury 1.
Anybody in? Good man out.
Shaftesbury trying to mount an attack.